All right, thanks, Mike. With those cooler temperatures he was just talking about this weekend, might be one of those that you just want to stay inside and bake. And just in time for Halloween, Ann Reynolds is here with some very spooky themed treats that you can make with the kids, and they are so cute. We were talking cake pops this morning.
Yeah.
Now this is a good Pinterest idea. You said this was almost a Pinterest fail because these can be tricky, so you're going to help us navigate how to do these.
Yeah.
So what are we doing?
These are Oreo truffles. They are delicious. They're cute. We have a variety of different themes that you can use for Halloween, but you know, really cute for any Halloween party. So what we're going to do first, we're going to have the Oreos, and that's the great part about this, is we're going to blend up some Oreos in a blender here. So we'll just give a little blend. So really easy. Just going to blend them really quick. Very quickly with that, and then we have our little thing. We're going to jump in, and what we're going to use is cream cheese. You're going to use an entire package of Oreos, an entire package of 8-ounce cream cheese to make 20.
Okay, 20.
20, so you could take it from wherever you want to go with that. Next thing we're going to do is stir it all up. We're going to have a little ball here, and this is our little mud.
This is the end product.
This is the end product. This is the truffle, the little mud pile ball, and then you're going to make them into little tiny balls here and roll them up nice and neat, and that's how you're going to get your little truffles, okay?
I love that this is done with Oreos that are all kind of pre-done for you, because the cake pops that I've seen in the past, it's cake and it's a lot of steps. You're baking the cake. This just seems really simple.
This is the easy part right here.
Yeah.
So we just put them in the refrigerator to chill for a little bit. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take Wilton's make these little candy.
You've got all different colors.
All different colors. You can find these at any craft store.
Okay.
What you're going to do is melt these down. We're going to start out over here with our little monsters, and we're going to use the lavender. This is really you know, cute for the monsters theme. And you put the little eyeballs on. You melt it down in the microwave. The hard part about this, I thought, is getting it to the right consistency so that you can just drizzle them on.
And you've even added some glitter to kind of jazz them up a little bit.
Sparkles, and of course you can always get the little eyeballs or the sparkles and however you want to do it, but that worked for our monsters. My suggestion would be if you can put them on a fork and then just let it drizzle on. If not, add a little vegetable oil to it so you can thin it out.
You've got the pumpkins. I love the bats.
I know, the bats are cute, and they're Oreos as well, so you use thin Oreos. If you've not seen these, they actually make thin Oreos as well. Easier to break off and make your little bat wings. So you just break it apart.
That is so cute and so creative.
And then you're just going to stick it in, and that's the little wing. Of course, they always make these eyeballs in different sizes as well.
So here's the big question. Kids tested?
Kid tested, kid approved, adult tested, adult approved. So for any party, ghosts as well, little mummies.
So cute.
All sorts of varieties. So once you get going, it's pretty easy.
And we're going to have all these pictures and tips on how to do this on our website at fox45now.com. Again, thank you so much, Ann, for coming in. We always love your ideas. Thanks. And now we're going to send it back to Eric.